Hello everyone, welcome to our first course about the scientific research data analysis and R language. In this course, I'd like to introduce you how to use R to improve your data analysis. First of all, let me explain why I prefer to use the English to finish all the course, because first, I have to say I'm not an English native speaker, so I also hope can take this chance to improve my English skills. So using English to make video is very helpful for myself. And secondly, the R scientific research, everything we need English, because a lot of paper is in English, a lot of conference is in English. Maybe our Chinese friend, or maybe French friend, or maybe Germany friend, they are not happy, or maybe why we have to study English, but we have to say English is a basic skills, just like R. So it doesn't mean we like English, but it just means we need to use English. And of course, you can also find a lot of very good resources. They use Chinese, they use Germany, they use French, they are also Spanish. They are also very nice, but let me try first use English to finish our part. 就是我讲一下我为什么倾向于使用英语来完成我们这系列的内容。首先我本人就不是一个英语母语的人，那我觉得我制作一些技术类的课程，我使用英语对我也是一个锻炼。其次呢，我想在所有的理工类的科研，几乎所有的论文，不管你是德国人，你是中国人，法国人，西班牙人，很多人都会使用英语来发表很多国际上的会议，也是以英语为主要的这种沟通语言，包括在我们中国举办的很多国际会议，其实大家也都使用英语来交流，就是说。我知道很多人，尤其是一些来自法国的朋友，大家非常不喜欢英语，而且某种程度上跟汉语比较起来，比方我们在制作一个视频的简洁度方面，其实汉语，甚至于德语它的优势是大于英语的，但是没有办法，这就是一个工具，就像 R 语言，它其实也是一个工具，很多时候并不是我们多么喜欢这个工具，而是说我们需要使用它。然后呢，我介绍一下我们这个课程的主要的构成。我们是数据科学分析，我们是这个科研数据分析与 R 语言，就是说我们使用一些基础的 R 语言来帮助我们怎样提高数据分析。我还会讲到就是说怎样使用 AI， 就是 AI 现在帮助很大，但是我们在从熟练的使用 AI 去生成代码之前，你必须首先明白怎样使用R 语言，怎样去理解 R 语言，怎样去修改，毕竟 AI 不可能100%是对的。那这个时候我们还是需要学一点点引导性的程序来帮助你去理解，帮助你去使用。Okay, let's continue. First, I will include 6 parts in our whole serious course, but this first course I just have a brief introduction for our language. So we will introduce how to use data analysis in search, why R is a good option, why we need to use statistical analysis, data visualization, machine learning, and also I will give you a brief outline about our course. In the end, our course will have maybe more than 20 courses, but this is just the first one. Why we need data science as a researcher, or in your research life there is a mistake. Because if you are PhD students, or even you just master students, or you are a young researcher, you need a lot of time to work, to social, of course to sleep. But indeed, our reality is very complicated and awful. You also need to read literature, you also need to perform lab work, you also need to perform data analysis. So we hope the AI and R language could help us to make our life more relaxed. And why R is important? First, big advantage is R is free. If you use the SAS, Sparse, Origin, Power BI, always you need to pay the subscription fee. And MATLAB is very expensive, and also a lot of the software. Of course, some people say, okay, they have some techniques they can use, they don't mind. But I think the copyright is very important for everyone, every company. So if we can use R to solve a problem, then we don't need to do any illegal things. And also there are a lot of the papers, they already use R, a lot of resource you can find in the website. Even you also can use the AI. Now AI is so popular. But of course you have to understand how to use R before you can use AI and R together. So our objective of this course is to help you first understand R, RStudio, RScripts, and then can make sure you can combine the AI with this technology together. Okay, now we want to introduce what kind of the data analysis we need to master. Just 3 types. Maybe for 80% of people this is enough. It's a statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. For instance, in the statistical analysis you need to super basic things like mean value, SD value, and also significant analysis. For some of the new students, maybe you can only know you need to mark A, B, C, D in the tables. This is, we call it a significant analysis. A lot of papers will require you to provide such kind of analysis. Of course, PCA is very normal, and almost all the data analysis, all the papers, they have to use the PCA. And the correlation analysis is very, very widely used in maybe biological, social science, a lot of things. Data visualization is also a very nice tool, can show your data more efficiently, like box plot or the histograms. You can show the trends of your data. And of course, all the reviewers and maybe your promoters, they also hope you can build the beautiful picture. And this is also a very, very big advantage of R. It is a super nice tool to make the good picture. Machine learning, of course, some people will think it's complicated, but with R, we have a way can make sure you don't understand the meaning of the machine learning, but you can use our script to get your results. What does it mean? It means you don't know the scientific or maybe the mathematic principles of the modeling, but you only need to know how to use it and how to understand the results. So this is the important things. And R, they already build the methods inside the R package, and you just need to know how to use the package to help you. So it's like a good bridge for everyone. Like this, we can use the supervised methods to help us do the identification work, or help you to do the prediction work, or maybe you can use it to build the unsupervised learning models. All these things is very, very easy and common in R language. After we go through the things we can use in R, I will have to repeat that in the whole course we will also introduce the foundations of R, statistics, visualization, bioinformatics, machine learning, and I will give you some mini tasks every week. Hope this course is helpful. This is the first course, and in the recent days we will continue study together. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. 非常感谢大家，如果任何人有任何问题，你可以在评论区留言，然后我们一起去解决它。不管它有多么的简单，多么的复杂，我想我们总是可以找到一个方法。让我们下次再见。See you next time.